Hear me out. I have a brilliant idea. Today I decided that I want to make a bag, a knockoff bag of this Chanel bag. Purse. Is it a, I think it's a purse? I don't know. It's like a metal thing, okay? So I don't know what to call it. Let's call it a cage, okay? It's a cage. It's a bird cage. It's this thing that I saw while I was watching the Chanel Runaway show, because I watched those, you know. And I was like, I want this. I want it, like right now. I'm not a person that likes to carry bags or anything in general. Like, you would always see me walking like this, which some people find really weird. I don't find it weird. What I find weird is being okay with having something in your hand, like heavy, and carrying it around everywhere. It's just very annoying. So you will never find me carrying anything in my hands except if it's this bird cage. That I would carry everywhere. I would just take it with me everywhere, because that's a piece of art. If it's art, just gonna make me feel like a walking museum, okay? I'm just like holding this beauty in my hand. I did some profound research as usual, and the bag was like $20,000. It's $20,000. I can buy a car with that. I can buy 2 cars with that, okay? It's like a fucking down payment. It looked like it was easy to make, so I decided that I wanted to make it. I decided that I'm just gonna give it a try and make it, because you know what? That's the only type of bag I wouldn't mind carrying with me. So there are 3 main pieces in this bag. First of all, the cage. I was like, listen, this looks like those bird cages that you find on tables in weddings, you know those tiny bird cages. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna order that. So I did. I was not satisfied with any chain I found except this one. The fabric though, I wanted a sturdy, like nice fabric. So I just received it yesterday. It's this. The fabric is very stiff, so I like it. Now, the big, huge problem here is that, okay, sounds fun, but how am I gonna manage to do this? Now, if you're familiar with this channel, this is not a channel where I know things and then I just teach you guys. I literally learn things in front of the camera. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing the majority of the time. For some reason, I always manage to make it work, but this is something that requires skills. I have to watch videos. I have a sewing machine though. Why do I have it? It's sitting here for like 7 years now. I have no idea how to use it. I never even tried to turn it on, so I'm gonna do that in front of you guys. So let's start with the basics, okay? Let me just practice. I wanna learn how to make this work. Just making a small bag to put inside the cage. This is all we need to do. I need to spray paint this, but I'm gonna do it later. Where am I supposed to do it? If I do it here, I'm gonna fucking choke and die, because this is the room. I should do it outside. It's like minus 200 outside, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do it later in the garage, but for now, let's just work with this, okay? So this is the chain, beautiful. This is the cage, fucking tacky as fuck. Okay, but can you just imagine, okay? Let's just pretend that I made the bag. So it looks like this. Let me see. Oh my god, my hands are way too fucking orange. Okay, so this is the machine. It's like dusty as fuck. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gross. Okay. I don't know how to do this. Okay, so I found this. Also, there's a book, but there's this thing with me where I hate reading instructions. I never do. I don't like to read instructions. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the pictures. Oh, I get it. So I have to go ooh. It has a light. Wow. Interesting. How do I hold this? This is scary. I don't want to do this. Wow! Look at this! So I just twist this thing, And then, wow. I like this. Oh. Wow, this is how you do it. Wow. It looks really scary, but I'm excited. Wow. Am I gonna turn this into a sewing channel? Very nice. Okay. So should I like test it on a piece of paper? I also got these from IKEA. What the fuck? Wait, what if I do this? Oh my god, this is a terrible idea. This is dangerous. Okay, let me show my husband. Listen, it was close. I tried to do like a straight line, but then I freaked out at the end. Okay, let me practice. This is good practice. Oh, actually, I'm just gonna try to follow like these lines. Don't tell me I'm not skilled. Close enough. Wow. Again. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this actually. So what is this for? Alright, so I watched a couple of tutorials and now I'm a changed woman. Like, I don't know why this was just sitting here. This looks like so much fun. Okay, let me just try. So I was very confused at first, but I was able to just set this machine with the threads and all that. So now I'm gonna try. I hope I'm not gonna embarrass myself because I think I got it. So I have this IKEA fabric that I bought when I bought this machine, but I never used it because I'm useless like that. This is gonna cut a piece of this fabric. I don't know why I keep smiling. I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna put this. Did I do it? What the fuck is happening? Oh, I need to cut this. Well, it's crooked, but you know. Okay, let's continue. This is so much fun. You guys should buy one. Let me try two. Ooh, because that's what I want to do actually. Okay, let's start making the bag. I'm confident. I should not be this confident, but I'm confident. Okay. I need those pins, but I don't have pins. I think it's very important to have pins. I'm gonna fuck this up. The fabric is extremely thick. I think I'm gonna break the machine. Oh my god, it's too thick. No one told me that this was this exciting. Or is it just me? Like, why am I too excited for this? I'm literally using the scissors that I use for my eyebrows right now. That's how professional I am. I'm kind of worried. This actually is harder than what I expected because, like, this is such a thick fabric. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Oh shit. I forgot to do this. This shit is fucking strong. It actually works. Let's get this over with already. I fucked up. Big time. Like, you guys have no idea how bad this is. I don't even know how to explain what happened here. Okay, listen, I'm doing a disaster, but it's kind of working. So this is what I'm doing here. It looks absolutely terrifying, but because it's a very thick fabric, on the other side, it looks fine. Yes! I have no clue what I'm doing, but I absolutely love this. See what I did there? I did a reversed stitching. Wow, I'm so good. Okay, last push. Does it fit? You get me? You get what I'm trying to do here? Oh my god. I'm just gonna fix what I did at the beginning, this disaster right here. Can you see? It just goes like what? And here it goes like, whoo, you know? It just bothers me, this tiny thing right here, but it's just because I'm crazy like that, but it's not that bad. Like, I genuinely think that I did a fucking good job, to be honest. So I ordered this black lace thing, but I didn't receive it yet. Using this shoelace. It's just like a temporary thing. So this is gonna be from the inside, and then I'm gonna put a hole right here and a hole right here so that I can tighten it the way I want. I am completely defeated, but okay, so basically what I did here is I stitched this piece of fabric and then I poked some holes here. Oh my god, this is so cute. All right, so I spray painted the bag, the cage, and then I modified the bag. I removed that pink ugly lace. I don't want to wait until I receive the original one. Anyway, so this is the final result, you guys. Okay, well, the black is ugly here, but you know, this is temporary. Like, this is a much cuter now. It's smaller. I am really happy with my new bag, purse, cage, whatever you want to call it. Like, this is a piece of art. I would literally show up. Okay, I'm not gonna wear this outside. Unless it was the original one, because it looks nothing like this. I would actually gladly wear this for like a Moroccan wedding or anything like that. Or like an Indian wedding, you know, like those weddings with like a lot of fabrics and textures and colors and super bright. I would wear this. All right, well, I guess that's it. This is it for this video. I learned how to use my machine. I made my knockoff Chanel bag. I found a new hobby now. Like, I have a new thing to do. I can make fucking clothes now. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next Sunday. Bye!